Magandang araw sa inyo. Welcome back ulit sa ating channel. At sa video ito, update lang tayo ng PBA team standings as of December 5, 2023. Okay? So, simulan natin guys. So, sino nga bang nangunguna at kulelat sa standings ngayong PBA season. Okay, so simulan natin sa number 1 team, ang Magnolia Chicken Templados with 5-0 record, win-loss record. So, undefeated pa rin sila. Sila lang yung undefeated team sa conference na to ng PBA. Pangalawa naman ngayon ang Phoenix Fuel Masters with 5-1 win-loss record. Nakaka 4 win streak sila guys, ano? Number 3 naman, ang Barangay Ginebra with 4-1 win-loss record. Meron silang 3 win streak. Pang-apat ang Meralco Bolts with 4-1 win-loss record with 2 win streak sila guys. Pang-lima naman ang San Miguel Beermen with 3-1. Meron silang 3 win streak matapos silang matalo sa opening game nila. Okay. So, pang-anim naman sa standings ang Northport Batangpier with 3 wins and 2 losses. Samantalang pang-pito naman ang TNT Tropang Giga with 2 wins and 3 losses. So, meron sila ngayong 2 game losing streak. Pang-walo naman ang Tira Firma Jeep with 2-4. Meron silang 3 game losing streak. Pang-siyam ang NLEX Road Warriors with 2 wins and 4 losses. 2 game losing streak sila guys. Matapos silang pakawalan si Thomas Robinson, yung dati nilang import. Samantalang yung Rain or Shine naman guys is 1-5. Okay, nasa pang-10 spot sila and nakakuha na rin sila ng kauna-unahan ng palalo. Pang-11 naman ang Blackwater Elite with 1-5 win-loss record. Meron silang 5 game losing streak matapos silang manalo sa kanilang first game guys. And last but not the least, ang Converge Fiber Xers with 0-5. 5 game losing streak. Wala pa silang panalo ngayong conference na to. Dahil mayroon nagkakaroon din siya ng management issues and player issues. So, yan yung updated PBA team standings as of December 5, 2023. Maraming salamat sa panonood.